128.10.10. So this is my IP address. So now if I ask you which class this IP address belongs, means simply we need to see the first portion, because the classes are divided based on the first portion. 192 comes in between the range of C class, so it is a C class address. Similar way, if I take an example, so you should not never see this. So remaining three portions can be anything in between 0 to 255, the remaining three portions. But if the first portion is in between 0 to 127, you have to understand it's a class. If it is in between 128 to 191, you have to understand it's a B class. And anything in between 192 to 223, we need to understand it's a C class address. Anything in between 224 to 239, it's a D class. Anything in between 240 to 255, it's a class E address. So only you have to see the first portion, because the classification is divided based on the first portion. So let's take two more examples to have a more better understanding on this IP addressing. Like if I write some address 150.12.10.10. So if I just say this address, so now if I ask you which class this IP address belongs, so we just need to see only the first portion. And 150 comes in between the range of 128 to 191, which is a B class address. So don't say this, okay? So this can be anything. So don't think that it is A class, because this is range, so it's not correct. So this can be anything in between 0 to 255. So similar way, one more example. If I say 100.10.10.10, so if I just ask you which class this IP address belongs, so 100 comes in between the range of 0 to 127, so it's a class address. So these numbers can be anything in between 0 to 255.